On behalf of Dr. Billy R. Williams, President of Inspire a Nation Business Mentoring Services, I want to introduce you to the updated Inspire a Nation Mentoring Service and the Data Supercenter AI CRM. For years, Inspire a Nation Business Mentoring Services has taught the best small business operations and the best insurance agency processes. Over the 20-plus years of being in business, we have worked with thousands of insurance agencies and hundreds of small businesses and business owners. From startup to millions in sales, Inspire a Nation has been there to help mentor and accompany businesses to new levels. Our training and mentoring is responsible for over $2 billion a year in new and renewal insurance premiums and hundreds of millions of dollars in small business sales and retention. We are proud of our track record and our reputation. Insurance agencies that implement just a few of the 20-plus best practice processes that we teach at Inspire a Nation Business Mentoring saw an immediate increase in premium, policies, referrals, and retention, while making customer service more effective and consistent for the customer and the agency. Non-insurance small businesses that implement our processes saw an increase in sales, cross-sells, referrals, and customer service. At Inspire a Nation Business Mentoring, our goal has always been to stay as technology agnostic as possible, meaning regardless of the technology you used or didn't use in your business, we could help you improve your business through improved conversations, scripts, templates, workflows, and staff actions and reactions. This methodology has worked extremely well for over 20 years, but then AI came on the scene. AI has allowed Inspire a Nation to take our mentoring services and offerings to a whole new level without having to double or triple our prices, and it is doing the same thing for small businesses. For insurance agents and agencies, AI is allowing better, faster, and more consistent implementation of processes. It gives the agency a super smart and effective admin staff member for pennies per day instead of $20 to $25 per hour. And it allows the agency to easily add processes and tasks in minutes, not months. As part of our membership benefits and resources for 2026 and beyond, Inspire a Nation Business Mentoring now offers our revamped Data Supercenter AI CRM. This CRM comes pre-built with best practice scripts, email and text message templates, workflows, AI tools, and chatbots. You can build unlimited websites and landing pages, and you can automate important functions such as missed call email and text responses, appointment scheduling, and 24/7 receptionist. The Data Supercenter AI CRM is not just a tool, it is an entire business system that is at your fingertips. In total transparency, our Data Supercenter AI CRM is powered by the High-Level Platform. The High-Level Platform allows businesses like Inspire a Nation to build advanced technology tools for a fraction of the cost it would take our research and development team to build it, test it, and deliver it to the marketplace. As part of the Inspire a Nation membership program for 2026 and beyond, we can now offer the Data Supercenter AI CRM with fully pre-built functionality to Level 1 members at a substantially reduced monthly subscription price compared to what you would pay if you purchased the core technology directly from High Level. For our Level 2 and 3 members, the deal gets even better. Inspire a Nation is providing the Data Supercenter AI CRM as a complimentary add-on for as long as you remain a Level 2 or 3 active member. I want to reiterate that our system comes with pre-built scripts, templates, workflows, AI functionality, and chatbots. That means you get the complete power of the High-Level Platform with the Data Supercenter AI build-out at no additional cost beyond your membership. I know that many of you are scared to death of learning new technology, so we also offer additional support and guidance in the form of bi-weekly webinars that walk you live through setting up different parts of the system. This is Billy R. Williams, PhD. As the founder and president of Inspire a Nation Business Mentoring Services, let me welcome you to 2026, and more importantly, I am putting out a call to action to former Inspire a Nation members, insurance agents actively seeking the latest AI tools and functionality, and small business owners that want to maximize their business operations while spending a fraction of the cost on tools, staff, and payroll. Take a moment and check out the Inspire a Nation Business Mentoring Services and the Data Supercenter AI CRM. Check it out on our website crm.datasupercenter.com. Again, that website address is crm.datasupercenter.com. On behalf of Dr. Billy R. Williams, Inspire a Nation Business Mentoring, and the Data Supercenter AI CRM. Thank you for spending a portion of your day with us.